and you can see the market. So the trend was from 2021 straight to the moon, low interest rates. 2022 started out really high, stayed up high, and started to drop off when the rates started to go up. 2023, you can see here in the pink, it was just a down market once the rates started to go up. And then in 2024 in the turquoise, you can see the market started lower and continued lower. That's Mike. Welcome back to the channel today. Today's video, we're going to talk about Paradise Valley, Arizona, see what's happening in the market. We're going to look at supply versus demand. We're going to look at annual appreciation and all the statistics. The numbers aren't totally out for the end of December, so we'll look at the MLS data and see what actually happened. There's a lot of people out there projecting 2025. You can read my blog on my website at www.soldbysmitty.com. I put my 2025 market predictions blog down there. I hope everybody had a great new year and is ready to get back to work in 2025. We'll see where the market goes and see what happens to the economy. If you guys want any other type of content, please comment down below. So let's get into the video. And if you like the information we're putting out, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to get notified every time we put out new videos. We do 1 video to 2 videos per week. So let's get into the information. So the first thing we want to talk about, even though a lot of people in Paradise Valley pay cash, every seller thinks they pay cash, but that's not the truth. Usually it's about 50-50 cash buyers to getting a loan. Here's the 30-year fixed mortgage from Mortgage News Daily. This is the jumbo mortgage. You can see right now the chart, it's just over 7%. Now, the Bankers Association is seeing averages from around 6.8% to up over 7%. You can see we hit a bottom back in September of 2024. In this chart, you can see the demand index over the last couple years. You had high demand finishing out 2022. This is when our prices pretty much peaked. Then demand dropped off as interest rates went up. Then once people got settled with the rates, demand went back up. The other thing you got to look at when you look at these charts, though, is seasonally Paradise Valley is a winter market. You don't see as much activity in the summer. As a matter of fact, most people take their homes off the market. This is the supply index. You can see after we came out of the low interest rate environment, supply went way up. People got settled. It started to come back down. And now we see supply going back up. But again, if I broke that down even further, you would see a seasonal trend in that. So this is according to Redfin. This is going back into November. Paradise Valley home values were up 17% compared to last year, selling for a median of 3.6 million. On the national, on average, homes in Paradise Valley sell after 53 days on the market compared to 84 last year. There were 17 homes sold in November, up from 12 last year. So that's what they come up with, but I'm going to go right off the MLS and I'm going to give you the real data. So let's get into that. First of all, we want to see how many homes are on the market right now, and we currently have 170. They should pick up in January. We're going to have more homes going on the market. We may even hit 200 homes. This is a big difference from, say, 3 years ago when we had maybe 100 homes on the market back in 2022. So this is the pending homes. We currently have 48 homes pending on the market. So out of 170 homes that are for sale, we have 48 pending. We currently had 30 close at the end of the year here. So let's just say, again, you want to compare ratios. You have 170 homes on the market, 30 are selling every 30 days. So the absorption rate of the market is an important thing that we always look at. And right now, our absorption rate for the whole Phoenix market overall is one of the lowest that we've had in 14 years. Paradise Valley, a little bit different. So this chart is going to show you the actual real list price per square foot, sold price per square foot, and the averages over the last 30 days of what's sold. So our average listing price in Paradise Valley was $4,881,000. The average sold price was $4,733,000, or 98% of asking price. But the thing that people have to remember, we're seeing a lot of big price reductions right now. And this list price is the last list price that we looked at, meaning people drop their prices, and then once it goes under contract after that, that's the list price that they're using. So technically it could be down around 92% if you would have gone from original list price. On the high side, we had a property that was listed at $16,995,000. It sold for $15,300,000. It was approximately 9,400 square feet. The average square footage of the homes that are selling is 5,290. The average price per square foot, list price, was $883 per square foot. The average sales price was $858. So you can see that's lower than what Redfin had been reporting. Average days on market was 98 cumulative. So the one thing that we're really seeing in Paradise Valley is days on market is on the rise. So I remember just a few years back when the average days on market was 360 in Paradise Valley, meaning we had 6 or 7 years supply of homes. So definitely the market is better than it has been in the past. And the last thing that we want to look at, which is important to a lot of people, is your annual appreciation. And you can see the market. So the trend was from 2021 straight to the moon, low interest rates. 2022 started out really high, stayed up high, and started to drop off when the rates started to go up. 2023, you can see here in the pink, it was just a down market once the rates started to go up. And then in 2024 in the turquoise, you can see the market started lower and continued lower. So overall, we're just going to watch the market and see what happens. We're probably going to go sideways in most of the real estate market in the greater Phoenix area and Paradise Valley over the next year. Everyone's hoping that we're going to get lower interest rates, but the Fed seems to be more concerned about the inflation and the employment right now. If you need any help with your real estate needs in Paradise Valley, Scottsdale, or the greater Phoenix area, give me a call. My information is down below. So if you need any help with your real estate needs in Paradise Valley, Scottsdale, or the greater Phoenix area, give me an opportunity. You can search my name. You can call some of my past clients and ask how it was to work with me. Thanks for watching today. Watch our next video right up here.